Question and answer. Assalamualaikum. This video is to answer the question from your friend. Okay, this is the question. Evaluate limit t approaches -1, square root of t squared plus 8 minus 3 over t plus 1. Okay, this is your friend's solution. Okay, and then dia start sampai sini. Okay, so kita nak tengok macam mana nak solve soalan ini ya. Alright, so from here, okay, if we use direct substitution, okay, limit t approaches -1, square root of t squared plus 8 minus 3 over t plus 1. If we use direct substitution, so we substitute -1 into variable t here. -1 squared equals to +1 and then plus 8. This is square root and then minus 3 and then t equals to -1 plus 1. So it is equals to square root of 9, which is 3, and then minus 3 over -1 plus 1, which is equals to 0 over 0. And it is error. Okay, so we cannot use direct substitution to evaluate this limit. Okay. So what should we do to evaluate this limit? Okay, if the given question in terms of surd symbol, so we need to multiplying by their conjugate. So the conjugate of surd t squared plus 8 minus 3 equals to surd t squared plus 8 plus 3. And if we multiply numerator by this term, so we need to multiply the denominator with the same term. Okay, so yang ni betul. Okay, and then we have fraction times fraction, so we just multiply numerator and numerator and multiply denominator and denominator. So we just multiply straight. Okay, but before that we can put bracket. Okay, so ini pun betul. Okay, and then yang ni darab dengan yang ni, dia saling conjugate because in between here is minus and in between here is plus. So when we use formula, the multiplication of conjugate, so kita akan dapat a squared yang ni, this is a, and then minus b squared yang ni. Okay, so yang ni pun betul. Okay, ni bahagian atas betul, bahagian bawah tak perlu expand pun betul juga. Okay. And then sampai sini, how to get this? To avoid mistake, you better write limit t approaches -1. Tulis dulu lepas potong ni, tinggal t squared plus 8 and then minus 9 equals to, yang ni same denominator lah. Okay. And then sampai sini, t squared plus 8 minus 9, after simplify, barulah dapat t squared minus 1. Okay, denominator dia still sama. Okay, yang ni pun betul. Dan sampai sini still tak boleh potong. So, what should we do? We factorize this quadratic. Okay, so factorize dapat factorize t squared minus 1. So, dapat t minus 1, t plus 1. Betul. And then we can simplify the same factor from numerator and denominator. So, ni betul. After we simplify, we get this. Okay. Yang ni pun betul. Alright. Okay, before that, yang ni kena ada simbol equal ya. Yang ni equal, yang ni equal, 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 equal. Okay. Dan kita sambung kat sebelah ni. Right, sampai sini kita sambung sini. Limit t approaches -1. Square root of t squared plus 8 minus 3 over t plus 1. Tadi kita dapat limit t approaches -1, t minus 1 over surd t squared plus 8 plus 3. Okay, saya sambung daripada step yang ni. Okay, so sampai sini kita Guna saja direct substitution, and after direct substitution, no more limit expression. Kita ganti saja -1 into variable t here. So we have -1 minus 1, and then -1 squared equals to +1. Okay, and then plus 8 inside square root, and then plus 3. Okay, then we simplify, so we get -2. 1 plus 8 equals to 9, square root of 9, 3 plus 3. Okay, so equals to -2/6, and then boleh simplify lagi, saya tulis sebelah ni, dapatlah -1/3. Right? We can check the final answer using symbollab.com. Okay, if we use symbollab.com, we need to use this syntax. Okay, limit t approaches -1, kena letak dalam bracket, and then symbol square root t squared plus 8 minus 3 over t plus 1. Ya, tak boleh space ya. And then you press enter. So inilah dia punya output. Okay, the final answer equals to -1/3. Okay. Okay, so maksudnya jawapan yang ni betul. Right? So this is the complete solution to evaluate this limit. Right? Got it? Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.